Who are the top 10 Olympians of Somali descent? Part 2. Number 5. Mohammed Ahmed Suleiman. With a bronze in the 1500 meters for Qatar, at Barcelona 92. He became the first Olympic medalist of Somali descent. Number 4. Mohammed Ahmed. The Canadian Somali powerhouse took silver at Tokyo 2020 in the 5000 meters. One of the best in the world right now. Number 3. Abdi Nagai. He took silver in the Olympic marathon at Tokyo 2020 for the Netherlands. He was also the winner of the 2024 New York City Marathon, and the first European representative since Mo Farah, and only the second European overall, to win a world marathon major. Number 2. Bashir Abdi. The Belgian Somali marathon great won bronze in Tokyo 2020 and went one better 4 years later with a silver in Paris. With a top 20 finish in Rio and a European title also, he is a strong runner-up on our list. Number 1. Mo Farah. Who else but the British four-time Olympic gold medalist? With wins in 5K and 10K at London 2012 and Rio 2016. He can't be matched. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.